If we want to solve energy in space, we need a longer lasting solution, something that can stay in space for 10, 20, 30 years. That's why what we're doing, upgrading silicon, it's critically important. And I think the future of photovoltaics in space is in upgraded silicon. So, the purpose of the company is to make solar in space abundant. So we want people to have access to electricity in space with no limitations. Scalability is critically important if we want to enable this next generation of space exploration and industrialization. Because at this next level, people will need hundreds and thousands of times more space-stable solar panels. We don't want power to become the next barrier for doing big things in space. Whether it's big science or building product in microgravity and bringing it back to Earth, or generating electricity in space and beaming it back to Earth, or industrializing the moon and mining some resources on the moon, or going to Mars. My big dream to be a part of a very strong team of passionate people who are on a mission, who share the values, and then they all work together on solving a big problem. And this is what we're building at Solestial.